Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you super busy but still trying to eat healthy? I feel you. It feels impossible sometimes, right? Well, today, I'm going to show you that it's totally possible. We're making 5 delicious, high-protein, veggie-packed meals, and each one takes only 15 minutes. Let's get cooking. First up, a Mediterranean quinoa bowl. You'll need pre-cooked quinoa, a can of chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, feta cheese, and a lemon. Just chop your veggies, drain the chickpeas, and toss everything in a bowl with the quinoa. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice over the top, add a drizzle of olive oil, and crumble on that feta. Done! This bowl is a powerhouse of plant-based protein from the quinoa and chickpeas and full of fiber and vitamins from all those fresh veggies. Meal number 2 is my go-to, speedy black bean tostadas. Grab some whole wheat tortillas, a can of black beans, your favorite salsa, some shredded lettuce, and a sprinkle of cheddar cheese. First, crisp up your tortillas in a hot, dry pan for a minute on each side. While they're getting toasty, mash your black beans with a fork. Spread the beans on your crispy tortillas, top with salsa, lettuce, and cheese. It's that simple. You're getting fantastic fiber and protein from the black beans, which keeps you full and energized for hours. Next, we have a lemon herb salmon with asparagus. This one feels fancy but is ridiculously easy. You'll need a salmon fillet, a bunch of asparagus, olive oil, lemon, and some dried herbs like dill or parsley. Pat your salmon dry, season it with salt, pepper, and herbs. Toss your asparagus in a little olive oil. You can cook these together in a hot pan or even an air fryer for about 8 to 10 minutes. Squeeze fresh lemon over everything before serving. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are amazing for brain health, and the high-quality protein will keep you satisfied. Moving on to meal number 4, a 10-minute chicken and veggie stir-fry. For this, you'll need pre-cooked chicken strips, a lifesaver, a bag of frozen stir-fry veggies, soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. Heat a little oil in a wok or large pan. Toss in your frozen veggies and cook for about 5 minutes until they're tender crisp. Add the chicken, a splash of soy sauce, and a pinch of ginger and garlic. Stir it all together for another 2 minutes until the chicken is heated through. This meal is loaded with lean protein from the chicken and a rainbow of vitamins from all those different vegetables. And finally, our 5th meal, a creamy avocado and white bean wrap. Get a whole wheat wrap, half an avocado, a can of cannellini beans or white beans, spinach, and a squeeze of lime juice. In a small bowl, mash the avocado and the drained cannellini beans together with a fork. Add a squeeze of lime, salt, and pepper. Spread this creamy mixture onto your wrap, top with a generous handful of fresh spinach, roll it up, and you are good to go. This wrap is full of healthy fats from the avocado and tons of plant-based protein and fiber from the beans, making it super filling and nutritious. And there you have it, 5 incredibly fast, healthy, and delicious meals for your busy week. No more excuses for not eating well. They're all packed with protein and veggies to keep you feeling your best. Which one of these are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more easy and healthy recipes every week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.